Hello and welcome to the first steaming of my Mamod SE1 after restoration. It'll be a bit loud outside because the neighbours are having some work done, but that'll be alright. We're going to get going. Now I'm going to run on tablets for this running just so it's a bit easy to control. So let's get the boiler filled. So to take the level plug out, when water starts coming out of here we know there's enough water in the boiler. Yep, oh, there we are. It's perfect. It's all that water coming outside there. It's a perfect amount. So the boiler's now quite hot because that's kettle water in there. Now I'll put the safety valve on. It'll be interesting to see how the safety valve performs with the new gasket. And now I guess we need to light the fire. So I just put one tablet in because I don't want to overdo it since there's already hot water in there, but I can always put another one in if needs be. So now we need to lubricate the engine. So put some piston back, put some in there, in the piston. Come on. Do that nice and smooth now. So now I'll put it there, and now we just wait for some steam to be made. Got a bit of a leak there. Oh yeah, that safety valve's going off. Obviously priming a bit. Yeah, look at that, we're priming. That chimney's full of water, crikey. Yeah, the problem is now, what's happened is the chimney's now full of condensate and it's blocked up the exhaust pipe. So now steam would get through, so I have to siphon that out. So I siphoned out the chimney, see how it goes. Yeah, we're getting a lot of condensate through. Let's leave it for a minute to build a bit more pressure, hopefully. See how it goes and hope for the best. That O-ring, I thought would be the case, it's a bit too big. I'll take that off and leave it be. And go from there. Yeah, we've definitely got priming. I'll leave it for a bit, see if we can get a bit more pressure up. Get a bit closer. Definitely got a leak there on the port face. I'm going to take the grind off just for the first run. So it's thinking about it. Oh, and this hasn't run in about a year or two, so they'll be a bit tight in places. So we've still got a few steam leaks we need to resolve up there, but we can. That's the purpose of the steam test, to find out where else you have problems in. A bit more oil, I think. Well, she's certainly trying. I think she'll go in a minute. Yeah, Sator's completely leaking. I think that Sator's the problem. It's just leaking too much. It's leaking a lot on the port face as well. Oh, there we go, guys. She's off. Huzzah! Let's get the band on. The band's on, and she's off, or not. There, and she's off. There we go, guys. It works. Yeah, we definitely need to resolve that safety valve. I suspect there's a lot of priming going on. Let's see if she'll run again. And she's off again. Let's get the band on. There we go. Keeps on going, just keeps on stopping. There we go, need to pick it up now. There we are. This is the problem with running it on a tablet burn, because tablets go out as soon as they get caught up with water. Spirits doesn't. Come on. Try again. Yeah, I'm going to get a new set off for it because it's just completely knacked. And we get a lot of water down the. We usually get a bit of water down the side of the port face, but not to that extent. But we'll keep it going. We'll see how it goes. And it's not leaking from the bottom safety valve as much as it was before, so that's an improvement. But the top's still pretty horrific. And my transfer's bubbling a bit. It's annoying, but never mind. Right, I'll take it off the belt. Yeah, we'll run it in a bit. You can see there's plenty of steam coming out the top, which is good. Safety valve's kicked off again. Yeah, it's going to stop, isn't it? I think so. Yep, tablets are going out a bit. Let's see if I'll die down a bit. Give it a minute, we'll see what happens. I just got a low battery warning for my camera, so I'm going to have to switch to the phone. So if it gets a bit shaky in a minute, because I switched to the phone, but I'll keep going on the camera until it dies down. Yeah, that safety valve will need a bit of work doing to it, I think, but I mean, it has moments where it's like this, but then it kicks off again and goes all watery. So the engine builds up revs, but then there we go, there it goes. I think it's when it gets to a certain amount of revs and it starts I think it maybe makes a water jet, which lifts water up, but, you know, we'll have to see how it goes. And the transfer's bubbling and it shouldn't do that, so I'm a bit annoyed at that, but never mind. Could be worse things. I mean, it certainly has a lot more power than it used to. Because it's a nice cold day, you can see all the steam going off. Honey! Honey! There she is. Oh, she's eating grass again. Do you like steam engines, honey? Ah, I don't think she cares. She's just busy eating grass. Well, my camera died, so back to the phone. Good old times, back to the phone. But it's still going. We've been going for about 15 minutes now. It's still steaming. Going pretty well. Oh, safety valve's gone again. Give it a second, she'll pick up. Yeah, she's picking up again. On dropping an RPM when the safety valve goes and blows part of the fire, but then when the fire picks up again, it goes off. So, I mean, it's all right. I don't mind it. So, to us, the safety valve is actually making the safest Mamod alive because it's just not running properly. I notice. I think I've got this pulley the wrong way around because look, that shaft is bent. So I think I need to just twist that round. That's an easy job. I'll do that after the steaming. You can see the water stop leaking around the port face. Actually, once it just got warmed up, it'll be fine. I have to lubricate that. Down there we are. I have to lubricate the port face, put a drop in there. Then it stops spitting up water. There's a spit out much water now because the engine's all warmed up. The safe valve's fully calmed down now as well, so all going well. Because once it starts going fast, we'll get a water drain and the safe valve will kick off again. But I'm really happy with this. I think for my first proper restoration job, I think I've done a good job of that. I think the fire's running out, so we're running out of pressure. So that's how fast we're with the belt. Take the belt off. This is how fast it's without. It's slightly a bit faster. I'll put the belt back on. Yeah, we'll go big or go home, as they say. Oh yeah, we've got a bit. Yeah, what's happened there? It's filled up, so it's blocked the chimney. So we'll block the exhaust pipe. So we siphon it out like that, and then once you stop, it should be okay. Oh yeah, we got some water in the system. What's going on here? What's going on? Oh, the fire's gone out. That's what it is. Yep, the fire's completely gone. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this. For first steam, I think it went quite well. There's a few little teething problems, as I was suspecting, but they'll be all ironed out soon. So, obviously I meant to record this entire restoration series. I haven't had a chance to, but from what you have seen of it, I hope you enjoyed it. So, thanks for watching, and then hopefully we can make the second-hand T1A, the £60 one, run just as well as this. Once I get my shed, which you'll all know from my videos with the Evening Star 92 and whatnot, is currently being refurbished. We got a new bench in there and a few new exciting bits in there. So we're to do much better model steaming videos, which will all come soon. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.